this week we've probably sailed almost the best we have out of all the 4 regatta wins. Boats going really well, going fast, and making some pretty good calls. So we're happy. Really, just one good race will probably wrap it up, I think. So it's very similar to position to what we're in Palma. So we sort of know what we have to do, and just go out there and give it our best.
Yeah, obviously pretty stoked to take the win. We had a pretty big lead going into today, but it wasn't kind of mathematically impossible to lose it, so we went out there and made sure we did the job in the first race, and then just have a bit of fun in the last 2.
Awesome, yeah, I'm feeling really good. What could go better than this? I think best week that all the sailors have ever seen in Hyères, of wind, weather, and I don't know, it was very good. I've been talking to the old guys that is from our team, and they all say it was the best week ever, so I'm afraid to come back here again.